म्हणून एक सांगपाक जाय की आयचो हो जो टुर्नामेंट आसा हो टुर्नामेंट सगळ्या भुरग्यांनी ऑफिशियल्स जे आसा तांच्यांनी ऑर्गनायज केला विथ देर ओन मनी विथ देर ओन फंड्स without any assistance from the government. I appeal to the government that such a sports which rouses such a big response in the entire state of Goa needs to be encouraged, needs to be taken forward. आणि जे कोच जावं जे तांचे ऑफिशियल्स आसा तांकां एनकरेजमेंट मेळपाक जाय, फंड म्हण, सर्टिफिकेट्स म्हण, इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर म्हण, ऑल दॅट नीड्स टू बी गिवन टू दीस बॉयज. They are the future of Goa. They are future of the state. They are the bright prospect for the nation, and we needs to encourage them. And I appeal to the government. I appeal to the SAG to support these sports. More than 400 participants from all Goa had participated, and we held this tournament from morning, and we are concluding it in the evening session.